neighborhood is a caring and involved community.
Nature is where classrooms of children come and experience the Delridge wetlands.
Neighborhood is people skating in the skate park on Delridge Way.
Art is teaching someone how to play the guitar.
When you support DNDA, you're supporting art, nature, and neighborhood.
Nature is planting trees in the West Duwamish Greenbelt.
Neighborhood to us means coming together.
Art is honoring the Duwamish people and the Duwamish River with a mural right on Delridge.
Neighborhood is flavor.
Nature is salmon swimming up Longfellow Creek.
Nature is the next generation of environmental stewards.
Art is a small but committed dance party during a You Speak Seattle Poetry Slam.
Neighborhood is neighbors really knowing and caring about each other.
Neighborhood is borrowing a cup of sugar.
Nature is protecting our parks.
Art is youth poetry.
Art is our voice.
Neighborhood is being able to walk to our friends' houses.
Neighborhood is people energized by ideas.
Neighborhood is love, family, and friends.
Nature is working in a garden.
Nature is a healthy watershed.
Art is adventure.
Art is magic.
Art is for everyone.
Art is who I am.
Art is home. Nature is home. Neighborhood is home. Delridge is home.